Hey folks, Aaron Gibson here, ranges, backstops, and berms, bringing you another short round. When traveling with a firearm, it's wise to take along a maintenance kit. From the beaches to the mountains, this kit can make your life easier. And on this episode, we're going to show you how to make one yourself. First, notice that we're calling this a maintenance kit and not a repair kit. A repair kit will likely include extra parts. Things like extra springs or batteries for your red dot sight can be great additions to your kit, but are specific to your needs. So we will stick to a maintenance kit that can bring a dirty gun back up to functional cleanliness. The first actual item we will call the barrel snake. These go by many names: bore snake, bore rope, but to avoid any copyright issues, here it is a barrel snake. What you need to know is that these are caliber specific. This means that you must purchase the barrel snake that is intended for your caliber of firearm. The barrel snake consists of a weighted end attached to a feed line, attached to a thicker, more abrasive cordage. There are a few variations from different brands, but they are all meant for the same purpose: to wipe out any fouling from the bore of the barrel. If someone lacks the arm strength to pull the barrel snake one-handed, consider the alternative of trapping the weighted end with your shoe and using both hands to pull the barrel snake through the bore. An old cut-down toothbrush has been repurposed here as a gun brush. It's very useful for cleaning out sand and dirt, but the main point here is that toothbrushes have more lives than a cat. If you know how to disassemble your firearm beyond the basic field strip, then a punch specific to your firearm is helpful when an unforeseen deeper clean is called for away from home. I also carry a thin plastic widget for the odd tasks while cleaning. This can be useful when digging into smaller areas of the gun where using a metal tool might not be the best idea. An optional item here is a camera lens pen for use on a red dot sight window. One side of the pen has soft bristles, good for sand and most dry debris. The other side is best for rubbing off smudges. These can be found for sale just about anywhere cameras or binoculars or telescopes are sold. A small bottle of oil is a must. Firearms require lubrication to run best, and in this case, the needle nose applicator helps too. Together, all of these items can keep your concealed pistol running and functional while you are away from home. So, what items would you add to this list? Let us know in the comments down below. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And look for us next time on Ranges, Backstops, and Berms.